If you want to improve your English speaking skills, there's one thing you must do. You have to speak. This is the most important rule. Many people spend hours studying grammar. Others watch English videos or listen to podcasts every day. These activities are helpful, but they are not enough. If you never speak, your speaking skills will improve very slowly. But what if you don't have anyone to practice with? Many English learners have this problem. They don't know native speakers, their friends don't speak English, or they feel shy speaking with strangers. The good news is that you can practice English by yourself. One of the best ways to do this is with a technique called imitation. Many people think imitation means repeating exactly what someone says. That is good for pronunciation, but this method is a little different. Instead of copying every word, you listen to an idea and then say the same idea in your own words. For example, you hear someone say, "When I was a child, I loved playing football with my friends." You can say, "When he was young, he enjoyed playing football with his friends." The words are different, but the meaning is the same. This is imitation. Here is another example. You hear, "I was tired after work, so I went home and rested." You can say, "After work, she felt tired and decided to relax at home." Again, the message stays the same, but you use different words. This type of practice is powerful because real conversations are not about memorizing sentences. They are about understanding ideas and expressing them naturally. So, how should you practice? Start with short sentences. Listen to one sentence and then say it in your own words. When that becomes easy, move to longer sentences. After that, listen to a short story and try to tell the story again from memory. Finally, challenge yourself to retell an entire speech or video. Always start with easy practice and slowly make it more difficult. This helps your brain learn faster without feeling overwhelmed. Imitation has many benefits. It teaches you how to build natural English sentences. You learn new vocabulary, useful expressions, and common speaking patterns. It also improves your grammar without studying grammar rules. How is that possible? Your brain learns by seeing the same patterns again and again. This is called implicit learning. It's the same way children learn their first language. They don't study grammar books. They listen, imitate, and speak. Slowly, grammar becomes natural. The same thing can happen when you learn English. The more you listen to correct English and the more you imitate it, the more natural your English becomes. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video.